Brian Dulesky for Able Distributors. Thanks for stopping by the website, checking out the Bosch 2.0 IDS. It's a heat pump, it's an air conditioner, does both. It's a fantastic piece of equipment. We've been selling these for a couple years now, and they truly are remarkable. A few things you're going to want to think about as you're putting together your package is, since this is a heat pump, and if you're going to use it in heat pump mode, we sell the high-rise pad. It gets the unit up about 10 inches off the ground, so when it goes into defrost, the ice has someplace to go. We also always recommend a surge protector. The board inside of this thing is ginormous. It's got a lot going on, and having a surge protector, a low voltage, a brownout protector, so we're going to offer you that. A new disconnect, new whip, always a good idea. One of the other things we're going to offer is an ERM. It's an equipment remote module. So if you only have 2 low voltage wires going out to the existing spot where your condensing unit was, but you want to take advantage of the heat pump, it'll allow you to have full function with only the 2 wires. So let's get into it a little bit. So the Bosch heat pump, the dimensions are pretty nice. 29 by 29, so it's kind of a small footprint. The 3-ton is only 24 inches tall. I mean, that's an amazing footprint. The 5-ton is 33 inches tall, so it's a little taller. When you wire this thing up, if you only have 2 wires, you only need 2 low voltage wires for AC only. If you want AC and heat pump, you technically need 3. And if you're going to use the heat pump down below 40 degrees, we recommend 4, so you get the 4th wire for the defrost. And when the defrost kicks in, basically it's going to send a signal back to your furnace to kick on the heat while this unit is in AC shedding that ice. So we got the cased coils to match the Bosch in all the sizes. These cased coils are an upflow or horizontal right. They're set up for that right out of the gate. Some of the facts on the Bosch 2.0, it's going to go cooling down to 15 degrees. So that's a little lower than the 18 SEER version. Heating down to -4. Line set to 150 feet, so that's a little bit more than the 18 SEER. 7/8 on the larger units, 3/4 line set on the smaller units, so it's pretty basic. It comes charged for 15 feet of line, so for every single foot after that, you're going to add 0.6 ounces. That's 0.6 ounces per foot. And like I said, as you go through our guide, we're going to set you up with a line set, the surge protector, a whip, a disconnect. We'll have the ERM in the company if you need that. This thing is pretty cool. It's got standard and accelerated cooling. So if you want a colder coil, you can get it. When you move it into accelerated cooling, it also bumps up the heating coil temperature. All this is on our control solution guide. It's on our website, and it basically it addresses how to wire this with a thermostat and set up all the parameters so it works for you. And in that guide, we have it with a furnace, we have it with an air handler, we have it with a Unico. So no matter what you need to wire, we've got your guide there. And that's it. That is the Bosch IDS 2.0 heat pump and our system. Thank you.